We're less than a month away from the April 15th tax filing deadline. Whether you're filing on your own or hiring a pro, making the right choice can save you time, stress, and even money. Cameron Nakashima from the local Better Business Bureau joins us with advice about when to turn to a tax business for help and how to find a good one. Good morning, Cameron.
Good morning, Sarah.
So tell us, what do we need to know when it comes to finding a trustworthy tax program or CPA?
Yeah, so filing season is prime time for these tax businesses, but for a lot of taxpayers, you might not know who to turn to, whose help you need, who you can trust, or even where to begin. To that point, the IRS, they have this IRS filing season statistics that are public information that they put out. And according to the latest stats that they shared, there's still about half of Americans or taxpayers who have not yet filed their taxes this year. That means 50% of you are, needing to pay those still between now and the deadline. And every year, millions of taxpayers are late on paying their taxes or filing their taxes rather, and they attribute that to not knowing, how to handle their complex tax situation. One more stat on this I found really interesting. So this year, just about a month ago, an accounting software company called Invoice Homes, they did a survey of about 2,000 U.S. citizens and found that only about two in five American adults are confident in their ability to file their taxes. So if that sounds like you, there are businesses that can help.
Wow, 2 in 5. Yeah, I think I'm definitely one of those that really can't do it by myself. What advice do you have for viewers to help them improve their tax filing confidence?
Yeah, Sarah, I'm right there with you. I I need a little bit of help too. So the number one piece of advice that we have to increase your confidence and your ability to get those taxes done right is to do research on the tools and the businesses that are designed for your specific tax situation. They're going to help you the most. So if you're feeling like, hey, you know what, filing my own taxes, that seems like a bit for me right now. Here's a couple of things that you can think about why you might want to hire a professional. Maybe it's a CPA or an accountant. So if you're not sure what credits or tax deductions you qualify for, and you want a human to help walk you through those steps, that is a great reason to consider having a professional help you. But also, if you own a business, if you're self-employed, or maybe you have multiple streams of income, just kind of a complex earnings situation, it never hurts to have a professional look over your taxes and just make sure that everything is getting done right. And if you're looking for a professional to help you out, I've got a couple of tips. One is look at their credentials. Make sure you get their Preparer Tax Identification Number, the PTIN, and also research their reputation. Make sure that they do good by their customers, and you can learn a lot about them on bbb.org.
Okay, so let's say there is a brave soul that wants to do it themselves. What do these people need to know?
So if you're doing it yourself, there are free options out there. The IRS actually has a free filing software available for most people to use. So you can always turn to that. Also, unsurprisingly, you've probably seen a bajillion ads for these already, but it's a reputable tax software company, and they allow you to file your own with some help, and they'll help you know which deductions you qualify for the most part. It still is always a good idea to do your own research and find out if you are going it alone, what you do qualify for, what you don't qualify for. That way you can make sure that you're both filing accurately, but you're also getting all those deductions, getting as much money back as possible that you're owed, and making sure that you make the most of that. But whether you're using a person like a CPA or an accountant or a software, it's always a good idea to do your research on them ahead of time, especially when you're using them for the first time, to make sure that they're going to meet your needs and they've got a good reputation.
Yeah, I'm with you there. The more you learn and know, the better decisions you can make. Thank you so much, Cameron.